Brad Williams XL Prime using the substitute function. We're going to show only the first 6 words within a sentence. This is all about strategy. It's one step at a time. Here, what are we going to do? Our attempt is to try to show only the first 6 or whatever end function you want. How? Look at this. We have this left B5 find. Well, we've used all of these in combination. Here's just a different combination. The end result will be the first 6 words. How do we do this? We're going to use the substitute here. Substitute. So let's just dive right in here. We have this text, which is B5. We're going to replace something. We have our old text. What is it? It's a pound sign. Well, there's a whole bunch of pound signs in here. We want a specific pound sign. And what are we going to do? A space. What are we going to do with this? Once we identify it, we're going to put this pound sign in there. And where? We have this new text. And then you remember, we have this optional argument. It's C5. And what it does is find the beginning of the 6th word. Once you find it, in this case, this space, put a pound sign in there. We use the find function. What does the find function do? It just locates the position. Remember left, we have text and our starting point. And whatever this number is, we want to keep. And that number is 29. So we want to keep 29 of the, 40 different characters. That's it. Here, we're using the first 2. We want to keep the first 2 words. Here, 7, 1. You can see how it is. Now, if you want to make it a little fancier, all you have to do, and remember, why 1? Well, because there's that space. And we don't want to include the space. The space after before. And here, if you want to spruce it up a little bit, you do the exact same thing. Include a concatenate and whatever you want to end it up with. If you want it periods or whatever you want. Read it here. I suggest you read this. And here, left, is exactly what the formula looks like. Here's what we're trying to do. If we look inside here, text, number of characters, F9, and it's going to be 29. But substitute, if we grab this, well, just go with substitute. You can go in here, just go to text, hit F9. And this is what we're ultimately reducing based on the end factor. Here we have just len. That means nothing. I just wanted to count. And then find. This is what find does. It produces 29. Over here, the best way to explain this is we're looking for the 6th space, n, where we substitute it with pound, then remove all characters to the right using the left function. Subtracting by 1 removes the pound sign. Just keep practicing. This one and all the substitutes, as I mentioned, can really frustrate the heck out of you. So one step at a time. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.